Do you know what we're doing today?
No. What are we doing today?
We're making SUNCATCHERs.
Ah.
SUNCATCHERs are beautiful. You can get them in many shapes. Heart shape, flower shape, square, anything you want. And you hang them by the window and you can see through the SUNCATCHER. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to need wax paper. Everyone's got wax paper, perfect. First thing, we're going to draw a shape. Anything we want. It can be a heart, it can be... So, may I have a marker, please?
May I have a marker, please?
Yes, you can.
May I have a marker, please?
Yes, you can. I will draw a triangle shape, personally. What will you draw? I will draw...
I will draw a circle.
A circle.
I will draw a square.
A square. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now, the goal is simply to have these. This is usually a cutout paper napkin. It's really thin. You can almost see through. These are what we're going to glue here. So we've got blue and we've got red. So simply, everyone will take one by one piece of napkin, one by one, and you put a little bit of glue on your shape, and then add a piece of napkin. Okay, so let's get that going and let's go crazy. Let's fill it with napkin and make it beautiful. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at this! It's beautiful.
It's great.
So, why didn't we cut? The thing is, why didn't we cut the shape before? Well, first of all, it's cleaner. That way, there's no glue going over the side. You can have the kids glue some of the things on the outside of the lines. And then when you cut it when it's dry. When you cut it, it's going to be clean and perfect. So we're not going to wait for it to dry. But what I can tell you now is, once it's dry, it's usually quite stiff. Put a string, make a hole here, put a string through, and you can hang it. Hang it by the window. It's beautiful. It looks transparent. Guys, I think we should just let's make it dry and let's hang it in our office, okay?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Thanks everyone. Bye.
Bye.